I'm Tom Freeman from the Woolshed Brewery in Redmud, South Australia.
Started in 2006 and converted from an old shearing shed, the award-winning Woolshed Brewery, located just out of Renmark in South Australia, is a Riverland success story.
My best mate, we were homebrewing, obviously madly homebrewing. And the shed, you got to remember, it didn't look like this back then. It was covered in cobwebs. It was like something out of Indiana Jones or something, you know what I mean? There's an old farm machinery and just crap everywhere, you know.
Since 2011, the brewery has been heavily focused on sustainability, recently having undertaken their fourth solar energy installation, a 99 kilowatt Redmud Green Energy solar farm.
The plan of the solar farm was to offset the carbon that we're using in the brewery.
The site was built by Renmark-based Yes Group using South Australian-made Tindo Solar panels.
We were definitely going to go the tin up worked, and luckily the legends at Yes Electrical were more than happy to go down that road and explore it. Supporting local or Australian made is just paramount at the moment. It's never been more important than now, that's for sure.
The installation, which meets the majority of the brewery's energy requirements, will further assist the business in their efforts as they work towards a carbon neutral and sustainable future.
Yeah, look, on all we're so happy with the way the project went, from that initial discussion to the delivery, the ordering, the time frame, the professionalism of the Yes Group was just amazing. Cheers, well done.